Why are PC gaming mechanical keyboards so expensive? Have you ever wondered why some mechanical keyboards for PC gaming come with a hefty price tag? Let's break it down and find out what makes these keyboards stand out in the gaming world. First off, mechanical keyboards use individual mechanical switches for each key. These switches are built to last longer and provide a satisfying tactile feedback that many gamers love. Unlike standard membrane keyboards, these switches are made with high-quality materials that can drive up the cost. The keycaps on these keyboards are also a big factor. Most mechanical keyboards use keycaps made from PBT, which is a higher-grade plastic. PBT keycaps resist wear and shine, ensuring they look good even after extensive use. In contrast, cheaper keyboards often use ABS plastic, which can wear down quickly. Another reason for the higher price is the build quality. Many gaming mechanical keyboards feature robust frames made from aluminum or other premium materials. This construction not only adds to the durability but also provides stability during intense gaming sessions. A sturdy keyboard can make a big difference when you are in the heat of competition. Now, let's talk about the features. Many gaming mechanical keyboards come with customizable RGB lighting. This allows you to personalize your keyboard with dynamic lighting effects. Additionally, fully programmable keys let you set up macros and shortcuts, which can be a game-changer in fast-paced games. Some keyboards even include detachable cables for easy transport and USB pass-through ports for added convenience. Brand reputation also plays a role in pricing. Well-known gaming brands invest a lot in research and development, which can raise the retail price. However, this often means better quality and customer support. Plus, many gaming keyboards come with advanced technologies like anti-ghosting and N-key rollover. These features ensure that multiple keys pressed at once are registered correctly, which is essential for competitive gaming. In summary, the cost of PC gaming mechanical keyboards comes from a combination of high-quality mechanical switches, premium materials, extensive customization options, and specialized gaming features. All these elements work together to create a product that meets the needs of serious gamers looking for precision, reliability, and personalization. So, the next time you see a mechanical keyboard with a high price tag, you'll know exactly what you're paying for.